And the TLC match is underway. There have been numerous TLC matches in WWE history. The first came over a decade ago at the 2000 SummerSlam. The rules are much like your standard ladder match. Your object is to climb a ladder and retrieve the prize hanging down from above.
Oh, through the table! The crash! There's blood everywhere! Right to the chin with the knee. Oh!
The excitement in the air is palpable for this no-holds-barred contest.
I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope. Oh, man!
And The Miz gets out of it unscathed. And the pain has to be shooting through his face.
Ah, look at this!
A stiff shot with the elbow. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries.
Put his opponent right through the table. No, there it is. Look at this.
What does The Miz need to do at this point, King?
Oh, geez. You know, these competitors are so evenly matched, I wouldn't even begin to guess at this point. These superstars are so unpredictable. I'm having a hard time figuring out what they're going to do next. Oh, wow. That'll cost some damn Orton. RKO! RKO!
Remember, this is no disqualifications. That weapon is about as legal as a headlock.
You know, anybody that thinks there's some good in everybody hasn't met Randy Orton.
What an impact from the knee. This no disqualification match has been a war. None of these superstars are likely to forget what happened here tonight.
Orton is so cunning, so vicious. When he counters, he knows exactly how to follow them up with one of the most devastating of moves. Oh, gosh. Turned inside out. Oh, mama! And that one hurt his hand.
And he sends him flying to the outside.
Let me remind everybody, there are no countouts. These competitors can stay out here as long as they like. Ooh, that did it.
These men are playing Russian roulette with their careers in this environment. Oh, and that's a nasty collision with those steel steps.
The Miz has to be getting under his skin now.
Oh, no, he's just obsessed with punishing that back. The Miz needs to figure out a way to sustain some offense. Otherwise, he could be done for.
And he's going for that ladder.
Under the rules of a no disqualification match, the referee is powerless to stop this one.
He's enjoying this.
What in the world? What's he planning with that ladder? Oh, the punch connects.
Oh, no. There he goes again. Hey.
And they get whipped right into those steel steps. That'll do some damage. There's press, and now a flurry of punches.
Bam!
You think of those battles the Miz went through with Cena, King. Those were so important in changing the Miz's mind and making him more aggressive.
Well, you're right about that. Those matches with John Cena elevated the status of The Miz. Not just amongst the WWE fans, but in the locker room as well.
God damn it, not Orton! What the hell is he gonna do? No!
Oh! Damn it, he's dead! Oh! Damn it, he's dead!
And the pain has to be shooting through his face.
Reversal! Orton reversed it. It's as if Orton is possessed. Reversal by The Miz.
Miz has the headlock.
The Miz is like the high school bully that got the cheerleader. I can't help but root for any opponent that faces him.
Look at the disdain in the eyes of the Viper. Orton loves to inflict punishment.
That may be the only thing that he loves. That'll make your eyes water. And there's the ladder. I don't know what he's doing with that ladder, but I got a feeling we'll find out soon.
And he's using that ladder like a tag team partner.
Oh, it's broken in half!
Oh, did you see that knee?
There's a lot of things under the ring, and all of them hurt.
Now with a chair. How much more extreme will this match become?
Now back under the ring, looking for another object of some sort.
He's got a chair.
And there are those biting, icy eyes. The venomous look of Randy Orton.
And I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
He's heading out of the ring now.
He's quickly becoming attached to that chair.
I don't think that chair is going to be good for much after this match.
Get ready to see more damage done with that chair.
Oh, the remorseless brutality. He's got to have a concussion after that. Randy Orton is just unbalanced. There's nothing as terrifying as looking into the Viper's eyes when he's in this kind of mental state. Oh, back to the head, back to the temple.
Over the years, Randy Orton's racked up a boatload of sins, and he's paying for all of them tonight.
And the boot connects with the abdomen. High knee.
And Randy takes a hard shot.
Rolling out of harm's way. Smart strategy there. Playing mind games.
Yeah, a little intimidation there.
He almost took his head off with that lariat. Randy Orton has said, you don't have to like him, but you have to respect him. Do you believe in those words?
Well, I know Randy Orton believes it. And let's face it, it's hard to argue with success. And Randy Orton is a success. He has the win-loss record to prove it. He has the path of destruction to prove it. Orton escapes. He's going to take another chance. Oh, we've seen this from Orton before. Just stomping on every exposed body part, inflicting as much pain as he can.
What an impressive combination of moves. Orton. RKO, the Viper strikes.
We've seen Orton demonstrate that there may not be one shred of human decency in him.
He's been called the apex predator of the WWE. And at times in his matches, it seems like he
could win the Money in the Bank match right here. Does he have it?
No! He wins! God damn it, he wins!